Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to remove Snapchat media upload problem on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to remove your Snapchat media upload problem, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just long press on your Snapchat app, then click on app info. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Here you will find storage and cache. Once tap on clear storage, then go back. Then open the Play Store. Then search for the Snapchat. If your Snapchat is not up to date, then update it from here. After completion of this update, go back. Check whether your issue has been resolved. After trying, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do? You have to just uninstall your Snapchat. Just long press on this Snapchat app and click on uninstall. Then click on OK. After that, open your Chrome browser. Then tap on this search. Then type here download Snapchat older version. Just tap on this first option. You have to scroll down. You have to download the older version from here. You will find the date. You can see December 11, 2024. If you want to download the older version, at least you have to download 1 month or 2 month old version. Just tap on this. Then tap on download. After completion of this download, just install it and sign in your ID and hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can remove Snapchat media upload problem in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.